today we have this Jennair cooktop that has a vent hood or downdraft located right here. As you can see, the customer's complaint was that this vent door would not open, or it was super slow to open, and sometimes it would get stuck like that. They call also other companies who came and inspect the unit and said that we can help you with this. So I'm here today. I pull the couple panels out. As you can see, this panel goes at the bottom of the ventilation area. It's right here. It gets installed in there. And there's also another panel that goes up right there. I took that panel off. It's held by two Turkish screws. It's right there. And I'll show you one more part here that you can actually peel this top off. This. And then you can see from here that what's happening here and what do we have in here. So the way this little small door works, there's a solenoid valve right there, and there's it has magnet right here, right there, and this gets stuck in there with the solenoid valve when the power is on. And we also have a switch right there. This switch communicates with the control board if the door is open or closed, if this door is open or closed. There's also a light switch right there. And if you look at the back, deep in there, right there, you see that little small hydraulic pump. That hydraulic assembly is the main problem right here. So the unfortunate part here is that switch is no longer available. That switch is actually available. It's $106. We don't need that switch. This switch is no longer available. In case if you get problem, you can use a Whirlpool or Jennair fridge door lock switch. The switch from the door on a Jennair fridge, you can use it right here. That will take care of the problem. And this solenoid valve is no longer available. And the part we need is, which is very important, is that black color cylinder hydraulic pump. That's the part we need here, and that's no longer available. When I got here, this unit had a lot of grease buildup. I did a lot of cleanup, used a lot of WD-40 to do extra cleanup. And then after that, I sprayed with WD-40, sprayed on top of that hydraulic pump to see if there's some debris or garbage or oil buildup that we do with clean it. So I can see some improvement here. When you close it, now it comes faster. It closes by itself. Here you can see it's closed. So the cleaning made a big difference, but in order to fix this properly, we really have to replace that cylinder. And I will also show you from here inside how it looks, in case if you wanted to replace it. That's the solenoid valve right there. It's held by two screws. In order to replace it, you have to take those two screws off. And in order to replace it, you have to take this metal piece off, which is held by this Robertson screw. And in fact, this is not a Robertson screw. It's 11 millimeter socket set that you can use, which is like this on the right hand side. I pull that out and I just added a Robertson screw. This way it's more easier in case if I want to pull it out again in future. Yeah. So the reason I made this video to show you that if you ever get problem with these units, with this door, you really have to do some cleanup here. Cleaning, and also if you know someone who works on hydraulic cylinders, those little small ones, you need to pull that out completely. And I'm sure there's places that they can fix that for you. I don't have any experience on repairing those. Also, in order to take that cylinder out, take these two off. You're gonna have to take this metal piece off. There's one screw right here at the bottom, and then there's one screw goes from this side towards the right hand side, so it goes from the left. I can feel it right here. You need a 90-degree elbow and a drill bit, and the size on these are Torx 20. So you can open that side panel. That side panel needs to come out, and then after that you can pull it out completely. This also needs to come out from here. If you got anything here, you're gonna pull it out. To make the job easier, I recommend taking the whole unit out completely, disconnected from electrical wires and everything. You can see you got lots of electrical wires here. Disconnect it, put it on a blanket, and then you can work on it face down. Put this on a blanket. You can work on it from the back and replace any of the parts you need. But it's very unfortunate that this unit is not even 3 years old. The part has been discontinued on it. And if you're looking for parts for these units, the model and serial number is right there. I usually have special 2x4s that I stick it underneath here, one right here, the another one right there. But today I didn't have those, so I had to use these glides from ovens, and it will also do the job.